ain't finna do nothing to your stuff.
I hope not.
Back at your pole, y'all. See, I ain't like the burrito. I'm gonna try the bowl, though. And I forgot the vinaigrette. She went to go get the vinaigrette. She thinks shit a game. I got some trash in the back. Goddamn, I ate last night. Yesterday, goddamn, I'm finna be all over. Dump trash all over while she eat her food. Whiskey. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I got this Chipotle. Gotta put this vinaigrette on it. It's that grit. Right. I ain't gonna even be able to eat all now.
Oh, shit, me.
This the vinaigrette bowl. Don't be wasting this shit in here. See what you doing?
It's milk.
What's that on your mouth?
That I just in my mouth and in my hand.
You doing too much. Just wrap your shit back up so you get home.
Give me the. Why you give me the? Never mind.
Put your shit back up in the thing, in the bag. I guess you're supposed to eat this with chips. I eat mine with a fork. I'm so greedy.
You eat it however you want to eat it. Ain't no right way to eat it.
You know? You know? They sell chips though, don't they? For the food.
If you want the chips.
Hang on your back. Oh, you need it.
I'm making a mess.
That's all you do. If you don't eat all your food, you making a mess.
Damn.
You alright? This ain't no motherfucking trash can. You say you wasting that shit.
More. You're just making it worse.
Alright, what's going on with you today? The vinaigrette changed everything up.
Oh, yeah? It's some taste I don't like on there before the vinaigrette get on there. It tastes kind of weird.
Say weird.
Yeah, before I put the vinaigrette on there.
You should have sit in on it. Yeah. Okay, good.
Too packing there.
I can't eat all for real.
I can't either. Babe! In my food! Babe! I do not want these. It's trash in it.
No trash in it.
Yes, it
Why are you
is.
putting this in it? I can still use that. Don't throw away this food, huh?
It's trash in it.
Look at this shit.
What you trying to say? I'm trash? You getting this all over my uniform?
Huh? Why would you sit it on my lap? It don't make no sense. Grab this out and eat, man.
No, you don't need to eat. I can't eat.
Yes, you do. Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
You can eat.
I'm gonna eat something at work.
It work.
That way it won't get tampered with.
It ain't gonna tamper with.
It is. It's trash in there.
Let's finish this truck. I'm gonna put that gun in my head. It's your food. Right. She don't want her. You don't want her, babe?
Cause it's trash in it.
Make sure you get that shit up, too. Yeah. Go ahead, get that up, too. Like, get your shit up.
I didn't eat White Castles last night. You and the kids ate White Castles. I didn't.
You ate Chipotle, this your sauce.
Okay, and I got my food right here in my hand.
This your sauce.
Okay.
Wipe it up. Why you can't never wipe your shit up? Huh? She mad. It was a prank. Yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't never making sense, baby. She hot. Look at her. She hot. You want me to take you to work?
No, I want to drive my own car.
You cool?
Mm-hmm.
You lying.